Hello everyone, today in this video I'm gonna tell you about an important word whose word is used in every single day, and also we pronounce this word in two ways. Yes, we pronounce this word in two ways. Can you guess what is that word? If you are guessing that word is the, the or the, then it's correct. Yes, in this video I'm gonna tell you about that word only. As you can see, there are two sentences. First one is this is the car, and second one is this is the aeroplane. Did you notice my pronunciation? If didn't, then notice once again I'm read out. This is the car and this is the airplane. Yes, in first sentence I said it the, and second sentence I said it the. But why? In this video I'm gonna tell you about that reason. If you know about that reason, then no need to watch this video full. If you don't know, then watch this video full, because this video is going to be helpful for you. If the is used before a word, which word has started with consonant letter? Car. This is car. The car, this word is started with a consonant letter. C is a consonant. That's why if any word which has started with consonant letter and the is used before that word, then you have to pronounce this as the. And if any word and this is used before a word which word has started with vowel letter, A is vowel, that's why I pronounce it the. If this word is used before a word which word has started with vowel, then we have to pronounce it the. And if this is used before a word which word has started with consonant, then you have to pronounce that da. This is the main reason we sometimes pronounce it the and sometimes we pronounce it da. If this information was helpful for you, then obviously press the like button and also let me know in your comment how was that video for yours. Your reactions, your comments encourage me to make more videos. So at last, thanks to all of you on the behalf of me for watching this video till the end.